Hey everyone, thanks for hanging out with me today. It is the end of the first week of May here, and I'm just going to give you a quick update for those of you that are following along to see what's going on. You can see my ornamental grass is coming up really nicely here. This is looking beautiful against the green. I did plant in here some diplodenia, 3, and then 3 begonias as well, and I did that on each side, each urn, and you notice the liner is not ready yet, but that's okay because I'm not ready for it anyway. Look at my catmint. It tripled in size in 1 week, and it's beginning to bloom now, and it's looking really pretty. Too bad the vinca vine flowers are gone already, because that against that purple would look absolutely beautiful. Let's see what else I have to show you. Here as well, I did the diplodenia with the begonias in here. As you can see, this whole area, all my irises are spent. The canna lily is coming up nicely in here, and it looks like these are all the orange ones. My Boston ferns are not doing well. These were the ones that I overwinterized. I'm not throwing them out though. I'm betting on them that they're going to come back. This one is looking a little better right now. My red canna lily, you can see, is I only have 2 of them that are popping up so far. I don't know what happened to those, but I can propagate more of those, so I'm not overly worried. And the diplodenia that I stuck in there is just that I overwinterized, is just starting to bloom again. Hostas are unreal. I did some parsley and basil in here, and you can see what happens. I cut these off, so I have to come in here and cut them off because they're really ugly, so those have to go as well. I was lucky, I found some cubanile peppers in a Home Depot, so I planted 10 of them in a row over here, and then behind here is going to be some tomato plants. And then as well over here, I actually put some of them in a pot right here. And then, so I have my parsley, I have my basil, and I'm gonna have my cubanile peppers here. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be working in the front on that little fake watering area that I have. And let's go up there, and it's gonna be a quick little project. I'm out here in the front yard, and I have this floating island area right here. And what I want to do is, well, first of all, I created this, it's like not a dry bed, but it's supposed to look like, water coming out. I didn't want a water feature. We have enough mosquitoes here. Hold on, school bus is coming. Geez, they're loud. Anyway, so what I want to do is I just want to expand it a little bit because it's getting a little shabby looking right now. I haven't really touched it in a few years. So as you can see, what I did was I started up on the top up there, and I have a single white rock which represented water coming out. So, I don't know if anybody else gets it, but it works in my mind. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to extend this out this way, like this, so that it just encompasses more space. And I'm going to take some of the rocks from here because I'm going to reimagine this space anyway, so I'm going to use them. And they're hidden by my Jurassic Park size hostas anyway. So I have my initial change. What I did was, as you can see here, I extended this out into here, and on this side I really extended it a lot. I brought it out and all the way over to here. Now there's pockets in here and here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of the sedum that I have that's spreading like crazy. This is what I'm talking about. You see, I just had it here and it fell, and one piece, it only takes one piece for it to start growing. So I'm going to remove some here and there because I can spread it again. I just put a few things in. So I put that rock sedum in there. I think that's what it's called. And I put another little piece in there. It'll grow big right away. And then I put another piece that was hiding under a hosta, and you can see the it started to get funny looking, so I took it out of there, and to save it, I put a piece of mint here, and I know people are saying, "Whoa, don't put mint, it spreads like crazy." Well, I understand that, but I can keep it under control, and the deer hate the smell, so that deters them from eating over here. And I put another little one over there as well. And then over on this side, a neighbor of mine gave me this bushy like lily. It's not like the tiger lilies like I have in the yard, you know, the big ones that make those big branched flowers. This is a small compact one, and I put more mint there. So now that's it for right now. I'm going to take a look at what I have to do, and I'm going to start filling in all here with the white rocks. And I also had some of this ornamental grass here. I say it wrong all the time, that's why I hesitate saying. I keep calling it Lirope, Lirope. That's not how you say Lirope or something like that, but you know. Anyway, so I found two of them hiding under a hosta, so I put them right there, and yeah, so this is it. So you can see what I did was I extended this area, you know, to be more inclusive. I will add more as I go along. You know, I'll, you know, take a look at it and see where I need to add. But for now, it's my start. I've been trying to do this for a couple of years. I keep putting it off. So I'm just glad that I got that done. Oh, I took one of my Diplodenia that overwinterized right there, and I stuck it in there, which will be nice. It'll cascade down there and give some color. So I'll, you know, keep you updated on this throughout the season and see how it looks and how it changes. And that's it. So thanks for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed the little video, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye bye.